Yeah, look at this. My latest unboxing. Scandinavian Airlines. Airbus A320neo. Registration SE-ROU. Leave Viking. Yeah, look at this, huh? Started back in 1946, in August 1946. They have Airbus A350s and 330s, and 320s, 321s, ATRs, 72 and 42, and some CRJ 900s. Scandinavia's biggest airline. It's heavy. I think it's Aviation 200 because they're really heavy. What does it say in the box? Oh. Leave Viking. It's not Leave Viking. Yeah, SE-ROU. Oh, wow, it's really heavy. You have the logo on the underside there. Neo engines. Looked like the light was blinking. Yeah. I collect the 330s. No, the 320s, because I like the 320 series. Yeah. Really nice model. Thank you so much, people, for watching. See you again. Bye for now.